Do you and your mates fancy walking out onto a pitch graced by some of European football's most iconic legends? Have you ever imagined lifting the trophy in an official national cup competition? We're looking for five-a-side teams in various age and ability categories to play in the FAW Cwpan y Bobl 2017 competition. It's the official five-a-side national cup competition, and this year the prizes on offer are unmissable. Following a series of regional qualifiers, you and your teammates could travel to Cardiff to play on the UEFA pitch at the UEFA Champions Festival, get up close to European football's most iconic trophies, and get tickets to be part of 2017's biggest sporting event, when the UEFA Champions League and UEFA Women's Champions League finals come to Cardiff. Visit cardiff2017.wales now to find out more and register for Cwpan y Bobl 2017.